Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can customize the autofocus setting on a LUMIX camera so you can control whether the camera is looking at the face, the body, or a neat new feature that is available on the S1 Mark II and S1R Mark II and the E model as well, called urban setting. So in order to actually control the autofocus setting, we need to go into the autofocus mode option, and I'm going to switch here to this camera so you can see the dial here. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that with the focus dial we are on autofocus continuous or single, and once we do that we're going to press this center button. We also have a disp button, just keep that in mind. We're going to look and use that a little bit later. So just going to get the camera on position here on my subject and head over to the menu by pressing that center square button. And here we have the autofocus modes. Right now I'm on one area. I can switch between that to one area plus and so on and so forth. But actually I can also enable autofocus detection on any of these autofocus modes. So for example, I want one area. I press the up key, and right away I can see I have human detect, and we have eye, face, and body. Let's say I want to actually customize that, and as you can see on the screen it says disp detecting subject. So we're just going to press disp now, and that's what we get. We now can change the subject, and we can also change the mode for that subject. So I'm going to quickly toggle through these so you can see what they are. So we have human, animal, car, motorcycle and bike, train and airplane, and then back to human. And then on human we have the default one, which is probably one of the oldest options that we had on cameras, the eye, face and body, which is going to be perfect in 80% of cases, similar to this situation here. Sometimes I'm looking at the camera, sometimes I'm looking away. This is going to work quite well. The next option is the eye, which is a little bit more specific, and it's a little bit more careful into making sure that the eye is always in focus. And then the last one here, you can see someone breakdancing. That's the urban sports option that's now available on the S1 Mark II, R Mark II, and Mark II-E. Hopefully this helps. And if you're interested in acquiring any of these cameras and many others, have a look in our description where you can find the links to our online stores. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.